How to add a calendar in a WordPress. Want to keep your website visitor informed about events, schedules, or appointments? Adding a calendar to a WordPress site is a fantastic way to do just that. It's simpler than you think, and we will walk through a straightforward method right now. First thing first, go to your dashboard, and this is how the dashboard look like. Now, we are going to use a plugin, which is the easiest way to add extra feature to WordPress. From your WordPress dashboard, navigate to the plugins, which is around here. Tap on it. Then navigate to add a new plugin, which is over here. Tap on it. Now in a search bar, type in a calendar. Tap on it. Then you will see a bunch of options. For this tutorial, we will use a plugin called an events calendar for the Google. Simply tap on install now. Once installed, tap on activate. So it's activated. So this is a pro version. Let's see what it have to offer. We are using a free plan, so some features may not be available for us. After it's activated, usually the plugin provides a basic calendar automatically. You can see it on a menu section here. Let's go inside here. So in the general setting, you have to add a Google API key, Google Calendar ID, and select the events layout, whether you want it to the grid, list, or Google Calendar. Skip it to Google Calendar. We don't have Apify credential here. Let's leave it as it is. If you have, please fill it out. When for the event attributes, can either hide or show the event's title, description, event's location, event's time zone, and many more. And for the advanced setting, there's a lot of things over here. You can edit it as you like. For example, there's a background color, text color, and buttons and everything over here. And for the pro features, you can add this one too, but you have to pay for this one. That was the whole idea on how to add a calendar in a WordPress. So I will show you how to get an API key too. So once we're in the credentials, what we see over here is no API key is displayed. Simply tap on create credentials, then tap on API key. So it's creating an API key for you. Let's wait for a while. Copy it, then head back over it, then paste it over here. Now tap on get your calendar ID, then tap on this one, then tap on save changes. So it have saved the changes. Now we can manage your events and keep your audience in a loop. That's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.